So you can make something like this and you give your mommy, give your daddy, or anyone special in your life. Hi, welcome to Immy Creatives, where fun and art collide. So today we are going to make a flower bouquet for our special dear ones. Okay, you can make a flower for your mommy, for your daddy, for your auntie, whoever you want to make a flower bouquet too. So I need you to have construction papers, different colors. If you have fluorescents, that is amazing. If you have this, that is okay. I need you to also have foam sheets. You see, you have to keep foam sheets when you've used, so don't just throw because it will help you. You need to have your paper, your book, or your anything that you're going to paste on or to have your art on. I need you to have a double tape or masking tape. You need to have glue because we shall also paste in case you want to paste using the glue. I also need you to have your paint closer to you. You know, sometimes you can feel like, okay, let me design my work with paint. So you can also use your paint. We need our color markers. So I need you to have also your color markers. You can also have your color pencils right with you. And this time we need pair of scissors, so they can have for you, you can get for you a plastic scissor that can cut so well, because this is so sharp, and when you're using this, please be careful. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, let's do this together. But before that, we need to have where our flower is gonna be. So here is how I can make the square. I fold the other end like this. Okay, remember I need a square so that I can get away this extreme, the one which I have remained. There we go. So I have this. So I'm going to make a cone. Okay, so my cone is gonna be like this. Okay, so I'll have my double tape. If you don't have double tape, please, you can put glue. I put it right here. And then I get another bead. Go. So from here, I'll get my color markers. I'll put this. I need a black one so that it can. After drawing this, what you need to do, you will be tearing your fluorescents or your papers. You fold like this. Okay, I want you to fold like that, just tearing. You tear, do that, you see, you just tear and you fold. So that's We're going to use glue. We're going to put glue there. Sketch. You can sketch so that you can cut it well. Okay. Here we have our, we're going to put this here. Okay, we need to peel behind so that can leave you with the sticky part wherever you can. Okay, so my dear friends, this is our bouquet. So you can make something like this and you give your mommy, you give your daddy, or anyone special in your life. Okay, I hope you have really done a good job. Please, next time when you have the papers, when you have your colored papers like this, no throwing papers, you know, next time you can make much better. You can make anything out of your paper. Even a small one like this will help. I hope you made a nice bouquet for your mommy, for your daddy, for your auntie, even for your own self. You have made it right. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so active. Thank you so much for being involved in this. I really love it. I enjoyed being with you. See you next time. Bye.